What's up guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to another fun creative photography video. This one we captured really cool images like this using what you wouldn't believe, simply a pasta strainer. Now I used this and the sun to get those really cool shadows that we were allowed to play with and grab some really cool images. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use something so simple to get some really cool images. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get the video started. So as you can see, I positioned the strainer at our big source of light, which in this case is the sun. And I just moved the strainer around to get the shadows that I liked, and then just snapped some photos from there. It's pretty straightforward, but allows for some really great looking images just like this that I ended up really liking. And guys, that is going to wrap up today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give us a thumbs up. It really does help the channel continue to grow. And if you're not subscribed, consider doing so, as we have fresh content coming out for you every single week. And down below will be some links to some contests we have currently going on over at ViewBug.com. You guys can enter in for a chance to win some really awesome prizes and potentially get exposure worldwide. So if you are interested in that, go ahead and check those links down below. Now, with that said, thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you all in the next one.